My number one goal is for you to take some real actionable steps. And the biggest thing that I want, and hopefully you'll notice, is that I'm a little bit different. Okay, so I'm a little bit different in the way that I explain things if we haven't met before. And the reason I say that is because I'm a big strategy person. I believe that we need to know why it is that we're doing this. What is the end game? And so here I am 30, 32 years old. I was already making well into the six figures. And I'm like, what are you talking about? Real estate agents don't make a lot of money. They look like they all make a lot of money, right? This is what we all see. I'm going to make all this money. I'm going to get 2%. I'm going to get 3% commission. And I'm like, I can't live in the space of not making a lot of money because I already had things that I was paying for. I already had a good life. So I had to be able to justify going into this career. So this chart still upsets me. I really wish that agents could make more money. We deserve to make more money. We all work very hard, but it's not easy. I followed all the rules, in order for me to be making a lot of money, they're like, you have to get a lot of leads. You have to get a lot of leads. So I would get a lot of leads from a lot of different lead sources. This is a picture inside my listing presentation. And so imagine this is what was happening to me one time. I was at this conference and my marketing coordinator at the time, she was like helping me get all these leads, and we were doing Facebook and we were doing Zillow, and then we were doing Google ads. And then you see that we had a lot of traditional lead sources as well. And I had all these leads coming in and I'm like, holy cow, like my phone was going berserk and I couldn't get to all of the leads. Even when I had, a small team, we were getting buried in all of these leads. But the thing is that, my life was good. Fundamentally, I didn't need 190 leads a month, and you don't either. Right. So that's important. The leads right now, anybody noticing that the property boost leads are getting a little bit more expensive? Is anybody else having that challenge right now? They're getting a little bit more expensive, maybe, getting a little less of them. And so that's another thing, is that these things get very, very expensive. And after I got back from my health challenges, I spent, like 100 and a ridiculous amount of money out of pocket right now. I'm like 185,000. So I didn't really want or have the budget to go spend more. And so that's where I also buckled down and learned about more and really started shifting some things I'm going to talk about. So the thing about kvCORE is it is a powerful solution. I want to make sure I cover some of this for those of us that aren't as familiar. It does offer you both that front end and the back end, right? So just making sure that everybody does know that it does have the built-in website. So then the CRM is very important. Okay, so when we have the leads journey with us, one of the things that's really helped me at the beginning is that I always had a database. Before, that's all they had. I've been in the business now over 20 years. It was always a database. So my leads, I would say, always went in there, but then they started not going in there. So when we started having like open houses and people would write down on the piece of paper. So the thing is about this is that, when they sign it on the sheet, you can't read it. You don't understand. Some people, I do have a video on my YouTube channel about open houses in kvCORE and some things about that are really important. But what happens is that they also then start slipping through the cracks, right? Then to get them in our system and put it in automation can be things that slip through the cracks. But it is something that, again, fundamentally, if we want to go 3, 5, 6, 7 deals, we have to start using these as a normal business process. It started out as the back end, which is why the website sucked for so long. Creating custom pages was horrible for so long. They've made some changes. It's still, even for me, but quite honestly, if you don't have some knowledge of some of these skills, it's still a little bit challenging, which is where people like myself come into play. Other people that you're going to want to hire probably to help you, unless you like to do technology. It makes sense, but we still have to do it the right way. But that's why it's a little bit clunky on that side, and they're trying to fix it. Overwhelming, complicated, but it is, in my opinion, one of the most powerful, which is why it can feel a little bit more overwhelmed, because we want to make sure that you're getting information. And I passionately believe this, is that we have to make sure that we get information from people who have been on the track, know the race, and can bring you along the journey without crashing. Okay. And this is the way that you can make a lot of money. The blog is super important. Very, very important. So what does the blog do? Why do you care about writing a blog? Can I just have ChatGPT do it all? There are some things that we have offered out there. We do have like some mini courses on blogging and how to use ChatGPT and how to kind of keep track of them. The most important takeaway that you want to get from the blog is one of the things that I missed is how to use the power of SEO. The thing about the blog also is it's critical. I want every single person to go get a vanity domain. Every single person. If you do not have a vanity domain, you are missing a gigantic part about creating your relationship with Google. It is worth every dime of the 11 minutes. So if you want to start to rank high on Google and you're using your blog, if you have a disconnect there, you're missing the boat. Okay, very, very important. I would say that 9 times out of 10, when people set up the free consultation with me and we do a quick audit, they don't have this set up and they don't understand why. So big takeaway there. It's important. Of course, they have lead generation tools, landing pages, squeeze pages, pay for this, pay for that. I don't want you to drink from the fire hose, but I want to get to the most important thing. It is a CRM system.